What's unique about ceramic is I personally believe it's an art more than a science. It's kind of always expecting the unexpected. My name is Blake Watts and I am a CNC1 setup specialist in oil and gas with CoorsTek. What we do is make seals for the oil and gas industry. The parts come from a powder and then they're fired in the kiln area, and then from there they come to us. We'll get our order form, and then I'll take it, make my measurements, and then set the machine up, figure out the right set of jaws, the right wheel. We'll run that wheel to the exact specifications and measurements according to the print, and then from there what we'll do is send it on to the next operation. When I come into work every day, I want to make sure that I keep an open mind and make sure that I can learn, because I've always been taught, learn something new every day. That's one of the things that makes CoorsTek great, is the community we have here. I can go to a number of different people in the shop and say, hey, I have a problem with this, and they can always help me. We're always learning, we're always growing here every day.